Good morning. It is Friday and Dustin and I both have the day off today. So I'm going to make a video, just a normal day in the life. So it is 10:52 in the morning. I'm just sitting on the couch with Dust. He's playing video games. He has a dentist appointment at 11:30 and then we're going to donate blood. Well, I am. And then we're going to go into the dog park and then go eat and go to the movies. So you'll get to follow us around today. Just a normal day, nothing too exciting. Okay, Dustin's appointment is at 11:30 and it is 11:28. And thank God we live really close to the dentist's office, so we should be able to make it on time. If we could just get out of this one road, which is never gonna happen. We just showered and my hair is soaking wet. It is 30 degrees out and I have soaking wet hair, so.
We got sandals on.
And Dustin's wearing sandals. We don't have it all together today. 11:29.
In tone. I want you and our viewers to listen to part of it.
Some of the allegations against me are simply...
So I come home from the dentist and Owen ate an entire box of Cheez-Its. He's a bad boy, and I'm wondering if I should even take him to the park because he's being such a bad boy today. And yesterday, he ate my beauty blender. So, he's being really bad, and I don't know if he deserves to go to the dog park today. Also, Dust has to get a root canal. I shouldn't laugh. I have to call him to get his appointment right now. I just arrived at the blood donation center, and I think it's a trailer in the parking lot, which is different, but whatever gets the job done. So here I go. Okay, so we had to stick both arms. Something happened with the first one, so we did both arms, but it was the fastest I've ever donated. I did the whole donation from once I was stuck with the needle to finish in less than 4 minutes. So that was really fast. They were super nice, and I feel really good about donating. I always do afterwards. Do you want to go to the dog park? Do you? Do you want to go to the dog park? Okay. All right. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You ready? You ready? All right. Here we go.
She's got her own. She's like, I got one too. Good girl, Charlie. She's still here? Yeah. Charlie Bear. Flyer, pick up the one that Charlie dropped. She's the fastest one. Look at that. Good girl, Charlie. Good boy, Flyer. Hey, Flyer.
We are not going to the movies or out to eat because Dustin's tooth is really hurting him. So we're just going to have a lazy night, and I'm going to bake some pepperoni rolls and some cookies for the cookie exchange tomorrow. Dustin's going to play some video games, and we're just going to chill out for the rest of the night. Okay, it is almost 11 o'clock and I have to work at 7 a.m. But I just finished baking all the cookies and pepperoni rolls for tomorrow evening. They're looking so good, but I can't force myself to eat any. Hopefully tomorrow is different. I'm going to take off all this makeup and lay on a heating pad for like 30 minutes straight and then go to bed.
I'll try to vlog tomorrow on the Christmas party, the cookie exchange, and let you all know how it goes. Don't forget to watch my other video. Night!